Dear students, good evening all. Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Thulasi. Today I am going to discuss about assignment 8 of Big Data Computing. This is the last week for this course. Okay, if you complete this assignment, there are no more assignments. This is the last assignment 8. So let me start the assignment. So coming to the first question, which of the following statements are true in the context of Apache Spark Graph X operators? Statement 1. Structural operators operate on the structure of an input graph and produces a new graph. Statement 2. Property operators modify the vertex or edge properties using a user-defined map function and produces a new graph. Coming to the statement 3. Join operators add data to graphs and produces a new graphs. So coming to the options, only statement 1 is true, only statement 2 is true, only statement 3 is true. All of the mentioned. The answer is all of the mentioned. Coming to the second question. GraphX provides an API for expressing graph computation that can model the dash abstraction. So coming to the options, GAADT, Pregel, Spark code, none of the mentioned. So the answer is Pregel. Coming to the third question, it is match the following. Here A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 are given. In the ABC, data flow systems, graph systems, shared memory systems. And coming to the 1, 2, 3, vertex programs, parameter servers, Guinea pig. So coming to the options, we are having 4 options and this A is 3, B 1, C 2. So A is a data flow systems, Guinea pig, and B graphic systems, vertex programs, shared memory is parameter servers. This is the right answer. Coming to the fourth question, what is the page rank score of vertex B after the second iteration without damping factor? Here we are having a graph and it is having vertices A, B, C, D and it is having some directed edges. Hence the basic page rank formula is, here we are having some page rank formula based on this, where PRT plus 1 of U is page rank of node U under consideration. PRTV is a previous page rank of a node V pointing to the node U. CV is the outgoing degree of vertex V. So here we are having 4 options, 1 by 6, 1.5 by 12, 2.5 by 12 and 1 by 3. The correct answer is 1 by 6. Coming to the fifth question, which of the following statements are true in the context of parameter servers? Here we are having 3 statements. First one is a machine learning framework. Second statement distributes a model over multiple machines. Statement 3, it offers 2 operations. First one is pull for query parts of the mode, push for update parts of the model. And here we are having 4 options. Only statement 1 is true, only statement 2 is true, and only statement S3 is true. All of the mentioned. Coming to the right option, that is all of the mentioned. Coming to the sixth question, identify the correct statement for stale synchronous process, SSP. Statement 1, SSP interpolates between BSP and asynchronous and subsumes both. Statement 2, SSP allows usually workers to run at own pace. So here the options are statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, both statements are true, both statements are false. So both statements are true. Coming to the seventh question, which of the following are provided by Spark API for graph parallel computations? First one, join vertices, subgraph, aggregate messages. All of the mentioned is the correct answer. Coming to the eighth question, which of the following statements are true? First, statement 1, Apache Spark GraphX provides the following property operators: map vertices, map edges, map triplets. Statement 2, the RDDs in Spark depends on one or more other RDDs. The representation of dependencies in between RDDs is known as the lineage graph. Lineage graph information is used to compute each RDD on demand, so that whenever a part of the persistent RDD is lost, the data that is lost can be recovered using the lineage graph information. Coming to the options, we are having 4 options. Only statement 1 is true, only statement 2 is true, both statements S1 and S2 are true, and none of the mentioned. So coming to the correct answer, it is both S1 and S2 are true. So now you can submit your answers. This is regarding the 8th assignment. Till now, almost in every assignment, you got 100 marks. So if you see the progress, you can see your marks also. All the best for your final exams. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And we'll meet in the next season of the NPTEL courses. Thank you so much.